Hi guys, in this video I show you how to create a loop animation in Wix Studio. To do it you need to have two images. For example, I have here a clock with an additional part which I want to move. Click on the plus button in the top left corner, then click on image and duplicate it. Find a great position for both images, then click on change image and select the images you want to have. Do it for both of the image placeholders and then you can see those two images here. Now you need to resize them and bring them together so you have a start point for your animation. If one of the images is on top of the other one, so the layer is not correct, just click on the three dots, click on arrange and then send it to the back. Select the image or the part you want to animate, then open the inspector on the right side, click on loop and then on add, and here you can choose between different animations. I'm gonna go for swing in this case. Just click on adjust animation and here you can change, for example, the intensity, the duration and yes, the repeat delay. You can click on preview to see how it looks like. And yes guys, that's basically it.